So both the similarity is clarity. Turn on your back camera. Okay, okay, beta, turn on your back camera. This question ko we will do in the class, okay? Turn on your back cameras. Karo back cameras on. Let me see. रोज ही आपको grammar में 3 sentences I daily give you to write those 3 sentences in your grammar copy. Tell me honestly, do you write those sentences in your grammar copy? Writing those. Okay, Priya is saying yes. And what about others? Are you writing those sentences in your grammar copy?
Yes, ma'am.
Listen, beta.
Yes,
okay, listen. अब हमने क्या करना है 1 to 10 roll numbers. अब हमने books and copies. We are going to say students to bring those books and copies to the school. Okay? और फिर वो check करना start करना है. तो update your books and copies. Listen this thing. Your books and copies, they will carry 5 or 10 marks. So update them. Do your work properly. Because very soon we are going to have your books and copies in the school. Similarities, write down similarities. A major part of the story, a major part of both the stories take place in the forest. Okay, back camera should be on. Payal, turn on your back camera. Sijan, back camera on karo. I want to see what you people are writing. Abhi likhoge aap in the class. Tomorrow we will start our next chapter. Okay? Beta back camera on karo. A major part of similarities. This is similarity, okay? A major part of both the stories take place in the forest. Second similarity. Srijan, you have already written. Second, in both the stories, we found happy endings. Or you can write both the stories had happy endings. Tell me, मैंने आज आपको homework send किया था.
I'm done.
Wait a minute, Payal, your work is done. Srijan, your work is done. Okay, Payal, you dictate. आप करो dictate.
मेरा भी हो गया है.
Okay, it means आपने काम कर लिया.
मैंने का भी हो गया. Yeah, also.
Okay, if your work is over, so come to page number 13. कर लिया आपने? Come to page number 13. In page number 13, Nandini, read this. Real World Connect. क्या लिखा है इसको read करो. Page number 13.
Can I read, ma'am?
Nandini, 1689.
Yes, ma'am.
Real World Connect.
Real World Connect. Collect and record the names of the winners of the finals of the Cricket World Cup matches and add some colors to your data by drawing the winning country's flag.
Okay, now in this question, listen beta, this question you will do yourself. World Cup cricket means तुम यहाँ पर क्या लिखो 2020 is written 2000 कब हुआ था World Cup वो लिख दो. Next भी आप लिखोगे 3 are mentioned. Okay, आप World Cup लिखोगे. Then winner's flag, which country won its flag, you will draw its flag. Then who was the runner up, you will write. Okay, runner up आप लिखोगे. World Cup कब हुआ था, you can take the help of YouTube, net, you can take the help. तो तुमने World Cup cricket लिखना है. जो winner country थी, its flag you will make. Okay, and runner up, who were runner ups, that thing you will write. Page number 14. बेटा listen this thing, ये तुम्हारा कल का homework होगा and I want that homework in assignments tab. अब अभी जो तुम क्लास में क्वेश्चन करोगे, अब तुम ये नहीं सोचोगे कि बड़े मजे से रेस्ट है. पेज नंबर 15 में this question you will do in the class. Imagine you are a policeman. Okay, now what you have to imagine that you are a policeman. बन गए सब policeman, सब बन गए पुलिस इंस्पेक्टर, बन गए सभी इंस्पेक्टर.
Yes, ma'am.
हो गए सभी इंस्पेक्टर बन गए. ठीक है. Imagine you are a policeman. सब पुलिसमैन बन गए या starting thinking like a policeman. and realize that the child you saw at the railway station has run away from home. You are a policeman and now you see a child, okay? तो child तुम्हें क्या लगता है जब तुम उसको देखते हो तुम्हें लगता है that this child has run away from home, ये घर से भाग कर आया है बच्चा. You are a policeman and you watches a child and you realize that the child has run from his home. Then how would you persuade the child to return home? अब आप बच्चे को how you will persuade him? Persuade करोगे उसको कैसे समझाओगे? How you will make him understand that the child should return back to his home? आप कैसे उस बच्चे को समझाओगे? Okay, and do a role play with your partner, convincing the child that home is the best place to be. Okay. To me, next, first think this, that you are a policeman, एक policeman हो, एक बच्चा है, he has run away from his home, then you have to convince him that he should return back to his home. वो तुम लिखोगे. और ask for help from your partner या neighbor to make a gingerbread house. Okay, एक gingerbread house बनाना means एक cake. ओके एक हाउस बनाना है केक जिसमें थोड़ा सा फ्लेवर जिंजर का हो, जिंजर ब्रेड हाउस बनाओगे, डेकोरेटेड विद कैंडी. ओके ये तो अभी नहीं हो पाएगा, सो लीव दिस. इमेजिन थर्ड, इमेजिन यू आर अ रेडियो शो होस्ट. ओके अब आप इंस्पेक्टर से क्या बन गए, पुलिसमैन से क्या बन गए, अब आप क्या बन गए? नाउ टेल मी, क्या बन गए?
मैंने इंस्पेक्टर, रेडियो शो होस्ट.
आप क्या बन गए? रेडियो जॉकी यू हैव बिकम. ओके अब आप क्या बन गए? रेडियो शो. अब आप रेडियो शो को होस्ट कर रहे हो एंड यू आर प्रेजेंटिंग एन अवार्ड शो ऑफ योर चॉइस. अब एक कोई अवार्ड शो उसको प्रेजेंट कर रहे हो. यू आर अ रेडियो जॉकी एंड बट यू आर प्रेजेंटिंग एन अवार्ड शो ऑफ योर चॉइस. नाउ यूजिंग जेरेंट्स राइट स्क्रिप्ट फॉर द प्रोग्राम ए. नाउ तो मुझे इसमें से लग रहा है कि फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज मोर इंटरेस्टिंग एंड यू कैन डू द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. So start writing first question, that you are a policeman. Now start writing this question. You will do in the class. अभी करो इसको जल्दी से. अब सोचो, think this thing कि railway station one child. Yes. Yes, who is this?
The scale, ma'am.
Yes, region.
Ma'am, can I bring the scale?
Okay, okay, you want to bring the scale. पुलिस इंस्पेक्टर बन के फटाफट से उस बच्चे को डू हरियम, दैट चाइल्ड इज टू बी वेटेड. ओके उस चाइल्ड की वेट हो रही है. आप कैसे उसको पैक करोगे, रिटर्न बैक? हाउ यू विल परसुएड हिम, हाउ यू विल पेसिफाई हिम? पुट ऑन योर थिंकिंग कैप्स. जल्दी से अपनी कैप्स डाल लो.
मैम बच्चे को तो
बच्चा is already there. Okay, that child is already there. You just have to persuade him. बच्चा तो वहां पर ऑलरेडी है. आपने क्या करना, आप पुलिसमैन हो, आप वहां पे जा रहे हो. ओके एंड आपने क्या देखा, एक बच्चा ही इज विपिंग. ओके या विपिंग यू कांट से, तुम ऐसे देखोगे एक बच्चा जो घर से भाग कर आ गया. ओके ही हैज रन अवे फ्रॉम हिम. अब तुम्हें उसको परसुएड करना है. यू हैव टू टेल दैट होम क्या होता है, सबसे बेस्ट. होम इज द हेवन ऑन द अर्थ. Home is the best place to be, or home is the heaven on the earth. You can write. उस बच्चे को persuade करो. कैसे करोगे आप persuade उसको? After 5 minutes, I have wait. After 5 minutes, Arav Chaudhary, camera should be on. Khushbu 1549, camera should be on. Yes, camera should be on, beta. Himani, lower down your hand, beta. Lower your hand. अपना hand क्यों raise किया है? Now, how you will persuade the child? Yes, Nandini. Very good, beta. Write down. Okay. Child, what is your name? Payal, you are writing this thing. Okay, child, what is your... Okay, चलो लिखो आपकी your imagination is there. Suryansh Rana, how you will write today role partner role play with your Suryansh Rana और सभी बच्चे कैसे how you can write कि today I and this Prityangshu were on duty, okay, were on duty, and suddenly I saw a child was there, and from his face it was visible that he had run away from his home. Then what we should then what we could do then, that thing we was thinking, okay, when I was on my duty, ऐसे तुम लिख सकते हो.
मैम आप इस क्वेश्चन को भी समझा सकते हैं.
Okay, देखो, you have to imagine, तुम क्या सोचोगे कि तुम एक पुलिसमैन हो, पुलिस इंस्पेक्टर हो, अभी आगे तुम्हारे माइंड में कि अब सडनली देखो पुलिस की यू नो दिस थिंग, द पुलिस की क्या ड्यूटी है कि लोगों की रक्षा करना, ओके, टू प्रोटेक्ट द पीपल. अब नाउ आप पुलिस मैन हो और तुम्हें एक यू सॉ अ चाइल्ड एट रेलवे स्टेशन, और रेलवे स्टेशन में यू रियलाइज कि वो बच्चा जो है ही हैड रन अवे फ्रॉम हिज होम, अपने घर से भाग कर आया है. Then how you will persuade that child to return to his home? Okay, then you will convince the child, अपने उस बच्चे को convince करोगे, उसको समझाओगे कि that home is the best place to live. Home is the heaven on the earth. Now, start writing. Suryansh Rana, beta, sit down. You are sitting. Chalo, after 5 minutes, after 3 minutes, I'm going to ask, because time is 2:25. Your class will over, and I want each and every student to speak. Sorry, Aditya Mehra, still your camera is off. 1784.
मैम ढूंढने को इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं? मैम
ढूंढने को, ढूंढने को searching. Okay, gerunds are side by side going on.
Then
Suryansh, mute yourself. Suryansh,
yes, ma'am.
better mute yourself. Okay, anybody who has done? Anybody who has Yes, Akshara. It means nobody has done.
परेशान
I was very tensed. You can say that he was looking very tense. He was looking very frustrated. You can also write. वो बच्चा कैसा लग रहा था? बहुत frustrated. Worried लग रहा था. Okay. बस आप एक माइंड में रखो कि सपोज एक बच्चा अगर आपका है और वो अपने घर से यस
मैम ये अच्छी बात है मैम ये अच्छी बात है इंग्लिश में
ये अच्छी बात है इट इज अ गुड थिंग अब देखो आप खुद लिख रहे हो तो तुम्हें लग रहा है कि बता व्हाट वर्ड वी शुड यूज और डेली जो कन्वर्सेशन सेंटेंसेस होते हैं ट्राई टू यूज दो सेंटेंसेस इन योर डेली लाइफ आल्सो तुम बोल ही सकते हो ना कि बहुत ठंड है देयर इज निप इन द एयर यू कैन से Kshitij has written little too fast. Okay, time is going to be over.
मैम हमारे स्कूल कब से लग रहे हैं
But no notification. When notification will be there, we will let you know. Okay, but still now no notification is there. But you should be ready. Okay, kabhi bhi aap ready रहना. Just raise your hand who has done, okay?
No.
Very good. Abhilav, very good. Abhilav Gupta?
Yes,
very good, Abhilav. Yes, beta.
Hello?
What you have written?
Hello, kid. I know that you have run away from your home. Home is best place in the world because there is your family, it is your home. I can tell searching you and kidnapper. Home is best and safe place to go back.
Okay, very good, Abhilav. Very good. Okay, in this way you will pacify that child, Hana? You will persuade that child, okay? And do you think, Abhilav, from your views, that child will be persuaded? आपको लगता है आप ऐसा बोलोगे तो that child will be persuaded? आप ऐसा बोलोगे कि अभिलव आप ये क्या Okay, okay, it is good, okay? Yes, Vardhan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Vardhan.
Hey, child, I hope you are doing well, but why you are sitting here all alone? Where are your parents? It seems like you ran away from home, but why, child? Home is the only heaven on the earth, and parents are
our first teacher, we used to learn a lot of things from our home. Running away from home is not the solution of anything. Come with me, I will drop you at your home. Being a policeman, it's my responsibility to take care of
Yes,
citizens.
very Vardhan, you have to
Yes, ma'am.
very good, very good. देखो, quite good, Vardhan. Suryansh, welcome, beta. Suryansh, 3244.
Yes, ma'am.
And don't say, ma'am, I am studying. Don't say this thing, okay? Because time is over. Okay, Suryansh, you speak out whatever you have written.
I am on my duty. I saw a children who ran from his house. I tell him that go back home. Your parents are worrying about you.
Okay.
He said that I will not go.
Okay, then how you will, if that child is stubborn means वो child बहुत ढीठ है, वो बहुत हठी है, stubborn है, then how you will persuade that child? सूर्यांश क्या करेगा? सूर्यांश अपनी stick उठा लेगा because he is a policeman. Stick है इसके पास, now revolver is there. सूर्यांश, yes, सूर्यांश अब क्या करेगा वो बच्चा?
I tell to him that go back because we are finding kidnappers here.
Hold on, Suryansh. Second form of verb. Please use second form of verb. You are writing I duty. No, I was on my duty. Instead of I was on my duty.
Yes, ma'am.
From the very beginning, okay?
I was on my duty. I saw a child who ran from his house. I tell to him, go back home.
Second form.
Told him, I told him that go back home. Your parents are worrying about you. He said that I will not go. I tell him that we are finding kidnappers.
Okay, very good, very good.
That kidnappers are very dangerous.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
That kidnapper catch you. Then
Yes, who is
he
कैसे बोल?
Akshara, you were there. आप थे अक्षरा?
Yes,
बेटा,
ma'am.
listen. देखो बेटा, class is going on. You know this thing. Suryansh was speaking. Suryansh बोल रहा था ना? Then don't interrupt, okay? जब दूसरे student की turn is going on, then you should not interfere, okay? You should not interrupt. ये एक class में कैसे बैठते हैं? वो सूर्यांश बोल रहा है, आप बीच में नहीं बोलोगे. कब बोलते हैं? सूर्यांश की टर्न ओवर हो गई, तब आप बोलोगे, ओके? अक्षरा, अब आप बच्चे बड़े भी हो रहे हो ना, तो क्या है, एक बच्चा बोल रहा है, लेट हिम finish his words, okay? उसको खत्म करने दो अपनी बात, फिर आप लोग. Now, what you were asking, अक्षरा, अब बताओ क्या पूछ रहे थे?
मैम, राह को इंग्लिश में क्या बोले?
किसको राहत? Yes. मुझे राहत मिली?
आपके पेरेंट्स आपकी राह देख रहे होंगे.
Your parents must be waiting for you. Okay, you can write this thing. Your parents must be waiting for you. Yes, Suryansh. Suryansh, yes. Because very good, this conversation is going between Suryansh and that child. I'm enjoying that conversation. Then Suryansh, what that child said? उसने क्या बोला उस child ने?
Ma'am, I tell to him we are finding with you. I tell to him again, go back home.
Okay. Suryansh.
Children ran away from me.
So then what happened? Then you told him that kidnappers are here and we are searching that kidnappers. Then what that child said?
He ran.
उस बच्चे ने क्या? वो बच्चा भाग गया, तो तुम उसको, आपने उसको परसुएट किया कि घर जाना, क्या पता वो रेलवे स्टेशन में चला गया, और फिर आपने कहाँ पहुंचाया उसको? यू हैवंट ड्रॉप दैट चाइल्ड ना, आपने तो, वो तो आपसे भी, चलो वो भाग गया वहां से, ही रैन अवे, लेकिन वो बच्चा कहाँ गया सुनांश? वो घर गया?
Yes, ma'am.
अगले रेलवे स्टेशन में। Okay, Suryansh, it was good, but try to use second form of verb, okay? Because you are narrating a story now. Okay, good, good, Suryansh. Kshitij.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Welcome.
Policeman. And but I alone. I think I ran from you and he said, "Your house is the heaven in the earth. I will drop you. Come with me."
Okay, and he was persuaded by your talks. You said that home is a beautiful place and it is a heaven, and that child was persuaded by you, and you dropped that child at his home. Okay, okay, Kshitij. Good, beta. 5859.
Ma'am, I am still. Ma'am, can Nandini?
Okay, Nandini.
Yes, ma'am. I saw that try to call my sister to come here. I told my sister to do an acting. She became a girl that lost in railway station. She talked to them. She said, "What's your name?" He said, "My name is Arnav." He said, "What's your name?" My sis said, "I am lost girl. My name is Madhvi. I am missing my family and home. Are you run from your home?" My sister said, "Go to your home back. You are so lucky and you don't know, but I know home is the heaven and best place." He said, "You are right." He go back to his home and said at last, "Bye."
Okay, okay, Nandini, your concept was very good. Your ideas were very good. Nandini, you took help from your friend. It means
Yes, ma'am.
you didn't persuade that child. Your this cousin, your friend persuaded that
Yes,
child.
mama, my sister.
Your sister persuaded. Okay, an idea was given by you. Okay, Nandini. Okay, beta. Payal, Payal is still writing. So, Prityangshu.
I'm writing.
बेटा राइटिंग तो हो गया, टाइम देखो राइटिंग का, तो आप लुक एट द टाइम, 2:40 इज देयर, डू फास्ट. सृजन सैनी 2200. सृजन.
Yes, ma'am.
यस सृजन.
मैम मेरा थोड़ा सा रह गया है.
ओके, जितना है उतना स्पीक दैट. जितना लिखा है उतना बताओ.
Yes, ma'am.
प्रित्यांशु आपने कितना लिखा है? रितिमा 2378.
Yes, ma'am.
यस रितिमा.
Child, what is your name? Where is your home? Child, that no parents, no any home to live. He may we take and go in chocolate house. He make cake and keep first. Child, this house for you. Child was very persuaded.
Child was very happy and child was persuaded. Okay, okay, Riddhima. Akshara, you are eating something. If you are eating something, then please camera should be off. अब तुमने देखो plate is there, glass is there, camera should be off. Okay, when you are taking your meals. Kshitij, okay. Now who has left? Aditya Mehta has left. 184. आदित्य मेहरा, खुशबू, खुशबू